Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I hope you like the unboxing part of the video. Also, this is the first impressions on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Yes, I got the Mystic White. I was thinking about the bronze, but it almost looks like that pink color too much for me. Rose gold, I guess you can call it. And I just didn't like it when I seen it at Best Buy. But this white one is fancy. I definitely like this white color. What y'all think about it? So in this part of the video, I'm gonna just give you my quick impressions of the device. Look how beautiful, look at that camera. That thing is big. Look at it. Man. And the phone is big too, by the way. Let's look at the display. Ooh, look at that display. Look how big that phone is too. Now let's go over the specs really quick while I have it in front of me. So look in front of you, look at that big display. This is what they call in their 6.9 inch Quad HD Dynamic AMOLED display. It has a resolution of 3088 by 1440p. So it's a beautiful display. It has a 120 hertz refresh rate. The only bad thing is that refresh rate is only at the 1080p screen or thing that you can turn it down to. I'll probably keep my screen at 2K. Now it has the Snapdragon 865 Plus processor in it. It comes with 12 gigs of RAM. I have the 128 gigs of storage. It also comes in 512. I don't know why they just didn't do 256 and 512. But it is Samsung, it is what it is. It has a 45 milliamp hour battery. It's running Android 10.0 straight out the box. Yes, it still has Bixby and all their great looking things in there. And they call it the Infinity O display because yes, look at that cutout for the camera. It's not very big if my thing will focus on it. That is not a very big camera cutout, but you know, it is there, but it's not very big at all. And that front camera is a 10 megapixel camera. Now on the back, man, look at that. I'm gonna show y'all again. Look at the camera hump on that thing. Now on the back, you have a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. You also have a 10 megapixel wide angle lens, which is probably your main shooter. And then also a 12 megapixel telephoto lens. That is a telephoto. I think that's the regular lens, and then this is the ultra wide. Hopefully I have that correct. The phone shoots in 8K video and then also 4K at 60 and 30. Man, look at that. Beautiful. Man, I like that camera setup. It's kind of big, but it's beautiful. Now let's check out the phone itself. At the bottom, yes, you have your speaker, the USB Type-C microphone. Yes, the Note is known for its S Pen. Ooh, look at the white. I like that white pen. Yes, you still have the Bluetooth connections on here. So, and they said they made some improvements to the writing and makes it feel more, you know, like you're writing with a pen. But I like that white color. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna come back and do more videos about the pen. On the left-hand side, you have nothing. Then on the right, you have your power button and then also the volume rockers up and down. On this side, you do not have a Bixby button. No Bixby button on the phone. At the top, you have another microphone, the SIM card slot. What y'all think about it? It's a beautiful, I mean, this phone is big. When I say, look, man. Are you gonna pick up one of these or not? Y'all let me know in the description. Stay tuned to the channel. I'm gonna have more coming up with the phone. I'm gonna do camera tests, gaming reviews. I'm gonna put it against some other phones. It does have an in-display fingerprint scanner. Let's check that out too. I think they actually got better with their fingerprint scanner. That's actually pretty quick. Man, that is really quick. And let's check out one thing too. Everybody wants to know all the time, where is your storage? So I have 102 gigs available. I'm using 25 gigs straight out the box. And that's none of my apps. That is just straight from Samsung. This version here is from Samsung.com. It is the unlocked version. It's not locked to any carriers. If you want to pick it up, I have links in the description. That way you can pick it up too. But stay tuned to the channel. Like I said, I'm gonna have more coverage coming on this device. I probably will go do 8K video, some 4K tests. I will definitely test out the cameras. Y'all let me know in the description what other videos you want to see from me, what other videos you're looking for this device. Let me know, I will try to make them. Let's do some quick comparisons really quick too. All right, let's start off with the big boys in the house. My V60 Note 20 Ultra. Man, the V60 is actually taller. Let's see about the width and wider too. Look at that curved edge on the Note 20 Ultra. The bottom, man, this is a great color combination. Look at that, that is beautiful. Now let's laugh, all right? I wanna check out the Pixel. Like I said, I have small phones. The Pixel is the smallest phone I have. That is funny. So, but the Pixel gives you a little break. As far as big phones, I'm gonna put these two against each other with the cameras. I think that will be a great comparison. My TCL 10 Pro, the Note 20 is a lot bigger. And the Motorola Edge, the Note is a little bit taller. And it's just I mean, it's water. Look at that. Bam, this is a good color combination too. But y'all let me know what color you picked up on the Note 20 Ultra, if you picked up any color. Also let me know what device you got, if you got the Note 20 or the Note 20 Ultra. Y'all let me know in the description. If you like this unboxing and the first impressions, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do. Hit that notification bell because I will be dropping more videos on the Note 20 Ultra really soon. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.